In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join a roleplay server on GTA 5 PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly find and join a roleplay server on the PlayStation 4 or even a PlayStation 5. As you might be aware, most GTA 5 role players play on PC. This is because it is easier to set up a server and join one through 5M. However, 5M is not available for consoles, but you can still do roleplay on those consoles. All that you have to do is look for specific servers. So in this video, I want to showcase two examples of roleplay servers that do work on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. One of them is going to be Boys in the Hood, and another one is going to be Los Santos Live Roleplay. You can join them both, and you will be able to play roleplay on them. Now, you will have to go through a strict application process. You can visit our website at lossantosliveroleplay.com, and for Boys in the Hood, you simply have to look for the Discord server because they don't have a website. When you arrive here, you will have to go through the resources and rules that they have. So when you go over to resources and rules and regulations, they are going to have a lot of rules that you should go over. They take this very seriously and they expect you to do the same. Because of this is going to be a premier roleplay experience. So once you go through all of the policies and you are aware of all the rules and regulations, you will be able to apply. So as you can see, they are on the open recruitment cycle. All that you have to do is click here, and usually they will redirect you to a Discord server. They ask you to join the Discord where you can apply. The same thing for Boys in the Hood. When you join the Discord server, they are going to welcome you, tell you about themselves, and go over the process. So as you can see, you need to change your Discord name to match your Xbox or PlayStation Network gamer tag. You will need to prep a character background story, and then apply to join. So you can choose Boys in the Hood roleplay, and you just have to wait until they come back at you with the application. You will be able to answer it and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to join a roleplay service on GTA 5 PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.